iOS 26 is out, and it's not just about new looks. Expect battery upgrades, features that use Apple Intelligence, and surprises about which iPhones are supported. iOS 26 introduces adaptive power, a smarter battery mode, plus redesigned battery UI, time to charge estimates, liquid glass effects, and new Apple Intelligence tools. iOS 26 supports iPhones from iPhone 11 onward, but adaptive power, the smart battery mode, is limited to devices with Apple Intelligence support, such as newer iPhone 15 Pro and 16 series. After updating, many users notice faster battery drain or heat. This is normal. Apple says it's due to system tasks like indexing, app updates, and background setup. Over time, battery performance should stabilize. Adaptive power is a new battery mode that makes small performance tweaks, lowering brightness, allowing tasks to run slower, or enabling low power mode at 20% to extend battery life under heavy usage. You can enable it under Settings, Battery, Power Mode. If your battery seems weak post-update, try giving your iPhone time 1 to 2 days for background setup, enabling adaptive power, disabling background refresh for heavy apps, checking battery health in settings, lowering brightness when needed. These steps help mitigate battery issues. For iPhone users with newer devices, iOS 26 brings useful battery and AI improvements. But if you own older models, battery impact may be more noticeable. Consider your usage and wait for updates if needed. Are you excited for iOS 26 or worried about battery? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Smart Innovator for more iOS and Apple updates.